Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find new informations of your flight in the Ryanair app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Ryanair app and on the bottom of the screen you can see the menu bar, home, my flight, check-in, and you have to tap on the more. You see here my trips, boarding passes, and flight information. You tap on the flight information and you can get your flight info by route and by number. If you choose by route, you have to select from where are you going and select to where are you going. Select the fly out date, continue, search, and here you can see the infos. On the bottom you can update with this icon in the corner, and you see updated just now. Here you can see the changes and everything. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.